You want to make sure he was snug or?
I'm sure it was. What's going on, everybody? So we got a Striker 3-seater tube. We got Ryan, our main man here, that's probably going to help us do our unboxing.
Yeah.
So with the Striker 3-seater tube, it's kind of similar to the Airhead. But anyways, we got a pump in here, we got our tow rope, we got our tube. The tube measures 77 inches wide and 66 inches from front to back. And then it's also 31.5 inches tall. So anyways, let's get this out of the box, pumped up. We're fighting against daylight here and see if we can't get a little tow in. All right, well, let's dig into this. Comes in nice big plastic bag. Got some weight to it, so we'll just toss that there for now. Dig in here, grab our tow rope, grab our pump. I don't know if it's a manual pump or electric pump. Hope it's electric. Oh, it is electric. Perfect. So we can plug that right in the cigarette lighter. We got a little piece that goes on here to help us pump things up. So this pump works two different ways. We can inflate it through this way, or we can deflate it this way. So we're going to inflate it. Get this unraveled here and we'll plug her in. So I wonder, is there a switch? So we also have an on-off switch too, which is kind of nice. So you don't have to run for your plug all the time.
It's a big tube.
So we got inflate first, inflate second, and I think there's an inflate third.
First.
I believe the third is the arm wrap.
Hey, it works pretty well though.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
You know I'm doing this wrong? Supposed to have that piece in, and then you plug this into that.
So you ended up forgetting to put the piece in?
Yeah.
Yeah, the little piece you twist on. But you still got it inflated. The tow strap is all ready and untied, zip tied.
There's the button. You want these pretty solid. We got one. Let's find two. Two's way over there. Two. See, this one here already has the cover in. Snug that up. Take this one off. Try to, with what time we have left.
Yeah, it's darker earlier now. Eh?
Yeah, I know. Racing against the clock right now. Okay, so now we gotta go and put a piece on here. Put that in there. That's 2, 3, on the 4.